What's up, everybody? Today's the day I've been waiting for. We're going to take this truck down to the dyno, see what she makes for power. I've heard high 200s to 300, so hoping to be somewhere right around there. It's only on 87 octane. I drive it too much to put it on 93. Yeah, I'm cheap. BTR Truck Norris cam, springs and retainers, and a set of their push rods too, on a 150,000 mile engine. That's pretty much it. Just put on this trans cooler with the fan. I'm gotta wire that up yet, and then I got a FTI 2800 stall converter I'm gonna throw in once I'm down there, if the lift's open. Hoping Josh and Andrew and Brian help me throw that in there real quick. So yeah, we'll get it up on the lift, throw that converter in, see what she makes for power. Don't mind that dent. Hoping for at least 300. But then again, I really don't care. It's just a little street truck. So, we'll see you down there. This is the only video clip I got of the night. We did get the converter thrown in. It was pretty late. I didn't film much, so here's the dyno pull. Did 5 dyno runs. Ended out with making 322 horsepower.